Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, I know. So today I'm going to be showing you how I detangle my hair, blow dry it, and how I trim it. My hair was in desperate need of a trim because I have let my ends grow and grow for so long and it was just breaking my hair. And to be honest, it's doing more damage than good. So this is long overdue. You're gonna see how dry my ends are. So I started off by sectioning my hair into parts so it's easier for me to manage, of course. Spritz, 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 spritz. This is some water mixed with conditioner, and I'm gonna start by brushing from the bottom because I don't want to rip my hair off my scalp. Because believe me, it has happened before. Now grab your blow dry, put it on the lowest heat and start drying off your hair. I'm using this end because I didn't want to be so close to my hair to burn it. Oh, and do not forget your heat protector. I repeat, grab your heat protectors. I definitely used a lot of heat protector. I'm applying coconut oil, and as you saw before, I blow dry then brush it, blow dry then brush it until the hair is completely detangled and smooth. As you can see, this is what my split ends have been doing to my hair, and it just looks raggedy and unhealthy. So I kept doing the same process on sections of my hair until voila, we have a smooth operator. Hello, come back to reality. Anyway. So I'm gonna start sectioning my hair again, ready for the trimming. And I'm gonna start trimming from the back. And I'm gonna try to section my hair as little as possible because when I finish trimming, I don't want my afro to be out of shape. Brush, 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 brush. Oh, look how smooth it is. Freshly detangled. Are you ready? It's off. Cut dead ends for new growth, babe. Trust me. I cut about 2 inches off my ends, and at the time I was thinking, oh, I don't want to cut my hair. But right now, I do not regret the 2 inches off because when I detangle, the brush just glides through my curls. It just glides through and it feels not so dry on the ends anymore. So here we are, finished, and bye bye, bitch. See you later. Even by touching my hair, I could just feel the difference on the ends. It wasn't so dry, and I'm so thankful. I'm definitely not gonna let my hair get to that point again with the ends. As soon as I see breaking, it's off. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll be back with more videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.